Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on restarting the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the side button to wake the watch's screen, then swipe from left to right to open the quick panel. In the quick panel, tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll to the bottom of the settings and tap General. Scroll to the bottom of the General settings and tap Restart. Tap the tick to confirm. Your watch will now restart. It will take a few minutes. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.